Welcome to our tutorial on understanding the new distribution capability, NDC, workflow with Qatar Airways on Amadeus. Throughout this video, we'll guide you through finding the most competitive fares, making reservations, and understanding the cancellation process. Let's get started by logging into the selling platform and opting for the more user-friendly GUI mode instead of the cryptic mode to search for NDC content offers. You can access the Air option from the drop-down menu or click on the Air search hyperlink. Once on your Air search page, you'll find two search options, the default standard search and the flexible dates option. The choice between these options depends on your specific search requirements. For instance, let's select the standard search option. In the itinerary section, the From box defaults to Karachi aligning with your terminal or office location. You have the flexibility to change the city or airport for your itinerary. Let's set from as Karachi to as London. Travel date of 17th December. The cabin box defaults to by price, lowest. It's allowing you to choose from various options like first class, business, premium economy, and economy. For this demonstration, we'll stick with by price, lowest. Ensure you've selected Qatar Airways as the preferred airline. By default return journey from London to Karachi. You can also adjust the return journey if needed. Setting the return date as 30th December. Now, let's dive into the passengers section. By default, the system sets 1 adult, 0 children, and 0 infants. However, you have the flexibility to modify these numbers based on your needs. For this particular example, we'll be searching for a single adult passenger. Moving on to the fares and fees section, we've selected public and negotiated fare types. Within the fare options, you have the choice to select from the fare restriction drop-down or leave it blank, which defaults to selecting all options. Regarding discounts, you can input any NDC promotion code provided by the airline. Otherwise, leave it blank. Our focus here will be to select only NDC to specifically search for NDC content offers. Once you've reviewed and ensured all necessary options are filled for your search, simply click on the search button to execute the search and find available NDC content offers. The displayed results showcase Amadeus dynamic pricing, illustrating how much you've saved with the NDC offer compared to GDS public pricing. The default sorting is by price, grouping the offers from lowest to highest NDC offers. Should you require more options, you can click on the Show More Fares hyperlink to view upselling fares within the same group of flights but with different conditions. Feel free to filter the given results according to your specific requirements using the available options. Displayed NDC offers remain valid for only 30 minutes, and prices might fluctuate before this time lapses. It's crucial to swiftly complete your booking by providing all the necessary and required information. Ensure you input the correct passport details, docs, as this information is mandatory. Unfortunately, it cannot be modified or added later in the process. NDC indicates that the displayed price is part of the new distribution capability offer, available for public purchase. The fare and taxes listed are provided by the airline. Exploring the outbound journey legs, you can review the group of flights and their respective connection details. Similarly, for the inbound journey, you'll find details about the flights and connections. For information about baggage, click on the baggage information hyperlink pertaining to your journey. With just 26 minutes remaining before expiration, ensure to click on the Select Flight button promptly to book your desired NDC offer. Remember, the booking file needs completion within the designated time frame. However, you can issue the booked NDC offer before 10 a.m. on 15th December, as per the given payment time. Let's take a closer look at the selected NDC content offers itinerary details. An outbound journey from Karachi to London Heathrow in O class, followed by an inbound journey from London Gatwick to Karachi in the same O class. In the passenger information section, it's crucial to input passport information before saving the selected NDC offer. Failure to do so will result in a warning message, and you won't be able to proceed with the issuance. Select the appropriate title from the drop-down list, such as Mr., and provide the last name, first name, date of birth, and select gender accordingly. Once done, click on the Add Travel Documents hyperlink. Fill in the necessary docs information, specifying passport as the document type, document number, country of issue, in this case, Pakistan, date of birth, gender, nationality, also Pakistan, and document expiry date. You also have the option to enter other APIs information like DOCO and DOCA if required. Upon entering all necessary APIs information, click the Save button to ensure your entered details are stored. The green tick next to the added travel document signifies that the API's information has been updated and accepted, and it cannot be altered later. Keep in mind a warning message indicating that the NDC offer will expire in 27 minutes. It's mandatory to provide contact information. Enter your mobile number and associate it with passenger number 1. You'll have the choice to share contact with the airline to inform about schedule change. You can either keep this option checked or uncheck it if passengers prefer not to be contacted by the airline. If you're using a credit card for payment, there's an option to calculate airline fees. Click on Tax Details to view tax specifics, totaling PKR 151192. You'll find a breakdown of various tax types in the NDC offer, along with specific fare conditions and cancellation reservation change charges. You have the flexibility to issue the NDC offer instantly or choose to do so later but before the payment time limit expires. To retrieve the booking file, passenger name record or PNR, in the GUI mode, select Retrieve Booking File, then search by last name. For instance, enter Badshah and click on Retrieve. If a matching one booking file is found, it'll be displayed. Otherwise, you can highlight the required passenger booking file from the list to open it. Alternatively, in cryptic mode, use the RT transaction followed by the family name Badshah to open the booking file. If multiple names appear, choose the required passenger's record. For instance, to access passenger number 2, use the RT2 command, and the necessary PNR will open. In the product section, options like issue and pay, cancel order, full fare conditions, and baggage information are visible. However, the exchange option is grayed out. If you intend to issue the stored NDC offer before the payment time limit, before 10 a.m. on 15th December, select the Issue and Pay option. This will lead you to the Review and Issue Your NDC Content page. Upon review, choose Cash as the payment mode and click on Issue and Pay to generate the NDC content offer. Upon successful payment and issuance, you'll receive a message confirming that the NDC content has been paid and issued. Let's take a look at the issued Qatar Airways ticket number and itinerary. When you check the box next to the ticket number, available options hyperlinks become visible. At this point, the only option available is to view. Click on the view link to display the details of the issued ticket. Here you'll find the details of the issued e-ticket along with its coupon status. To exit from the e-ticket details, simply click on the cross symbol. If you wish to send the e-ticket record via mail or print it, click on the Send option. You'll have the choice to send the itinerary without fare details or send the e-ticket with fare details. If you select the Send the e-ticket option, choose the email option, enter the required email address, and click on the Issue button. This action will generate the electronic ticket passenger itinerary receipt, IATA. To view the PNR details in cryptic mode, click on the Show in Command page hyperlink. It's important to note that the NDC PNR content differs from the traditional PNR content. If you need to retrieve the issued ticket from the PNR, use TWD transaction followed by the issued ticket on the line number 10 of the PNR. However, the system responds with QR etiquette not authorized. It indicates that the e-ticket has been issued with QR stock, which isn't compatible with our local BSP stock. So, we are not able to retrieve traditional method. As a workaround in cryptic mode, you can check the e-ticket issued history of the NDC Content PNR using the RHF transaction code. This line indicates that the ticket has been issued against the NDC order pay, also displaying the user ID, office ID, and IATA number. There are various methods available to retrieve the NDC Content PNR. For instance, using the e-ticket number requires the necessary NDC Content PNR or booking file. Let's walk through the process of cancelling an order or voiding an issued document, provided fare conditions permit it on the same day of issuance. To start, open the NDC Content PNR. Beside Confirmed, select the drop-down list for Cancel Order. Options listed like Cancel Order, Exchange, Full Fare Conditions, and Baggage Information. Choose the Cancel Order hyperlink. This action will take you to the Cancelling NDC Order form, where the cancellation type is set to Void. Next, click on the Void Now button. Upon seeing NDC order was voided, it confirms that the e-ticket has been voided. Click on Continue button. If attempting to access the e-ticket number hyperlink results in a message saying e-ticket display requested failed, it indicates that the issued ticket is currently inactive and unviewable. To return to the booking file, click on the cross symbol. For PNR retrieval on the command page, select Show in Command page hyperlink. The itinerary has now been cancelled. To access the ticketing history, use the RHF transaction. Line 003/006 signifies that the NDC Content issued ticket has been cancelled. In line 006, it displays the NDC order cancel, along with the user ID, time in GMT, and office ID. Use the RT transaction to retrieve the PNR. Now use the IG transaction to ignore the current PNR. I hope the video will help you to understand the new distribution capability, NDC Content workflow to book, issue, retrieve, and cancel order. Thanks for watching this video tutorial and hope clarify the NDC workflow on Amadeus. Please stay tuned for informative video tutorials.